Oh, we didn't look at musical.
And it goes a little something like
you all summer and after you
approximately like 5 something this morning right now.
Too goddamn early.
Yeah, too early, as Ken would say. But it's time for us to head to California, actually. So we're getting ready. There's a shuttle downstairs waiting for us to take us to our flight that actually leaves. I'm just going to get with my cleanser today and my SPF because the toner has been a little harsh on my skin. We're up, we're at 'em. Took us a while for us to get up. It really did. I have a little blemish coming right now, and I don't know what it is.
Okay, we are parking at one of the airport places.
we made it, bitch.
Okay, I don't know about Kennedy, but I'm getting worried because the airport is actually hella packed.
straight up.
Guys, we are at our terminal. I'm about to get something to eat before we get on the plane because we actually can board it right now. But we need some food, you know. Little snack for this 5-hour flight. So
We probably got a store.
not that we see a food next to Popeyes to go buy something just because it's there.
Oh, it's a vending machine.
Yeah,
Oh, that's cute.
convenient. Girl, I wouldn't mind getting a little kit before I get on the plane. You know? We made it to LA, bitches! Cool, okay. So we just got off the plane, headed to go get our baggage claim, luggages, yada, yada, yada. And we have to Uber to the hotel because the hotel doesn't do shuttles, but that's cool. We honestly need to linger at the airport for a little because we got a little social media work to do, but that's cool. We're a little lost, but not really. Just trying to see. It's like a maze. The room number is 333. Tap, tap, set it up. Like this room is gonna be a mess in like literally the next 30 seconds. That's my fault. Got too heavy. Pause this video. Go watch my last video on looking good in your city, the best way to pack outfits. So I decided to do a little accessories with my hair since my leave out was acting up. Improvise, ladies, improvise. I got my shoulder pad shirts, white tee, corset looking snatch, pants to match, with the sneakers to pair with it, okay?
Give him a spin. Spin.
He's a little out, but
Ooh. Ooh.
just left the mother smoke shop, you guys. And well, I guess I could tell y'all a little bit of what was popping while we was in there. The lady was mad cool. Like, at first we thought she was a little rude at first, but she wasn't. She was dope as hell. She was like, so like, what type of weed y'all want? Mind you, me and Kitty don't know a god dang thing about no marijuana. I wish I could show you the contents in this bag, but my channel will be blocked. I was hoping the dispensary though was like a lounge. So right now we just go to, I'm gonna show y'all the case of the pre-roll. So it came in this case right here. So we're gonna go to Roscoe's Chicken and Waffles, but we go vibe a little bit and walk down the street. Look at the Cali sun hit me. Look at the Cali sun hit me. Look. I'm living my best life.